Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to cover a very, famous topic question you can say, or many people are asking an important question like if a war happens between the US and Iran, will it affect the IT industry or will companies like TCS, Infosys and Wipro will be affected? Or could Indian IT employees losing their job or lose their job? So in this video, I will explain this in very simple terms so you can clearly understand the possible impact on the IT sector. So first thing we need to understand is that the Indian IT industry is strongly connected to the global economy. Most Indian IT companies work with clients from the United States, Europe, and the Middle East. So when a big geopolitical conflict happens, it creates uncertainty in the global market. Okay, so during this uncertain time, many companies become careful with their spendings. Instead of starting new technology projects, they often delay or reduce IT budgets. And this can slightly slow down new projects for Indian IT companies or in Indian IT market. Let's say a global company was planning a big digital transformation project. If there is a geopolitical tension or war, that company might decide to wait for a few months before investing money because businesses usually focus on saving money and managing risk during these uncertain situations. So this means some IT projects could be delayed or slowed down temporarily. Another important factor is oil prices. So the Middle East is a major region for global oil supply. If tension increase in that region, oil prices can rise. For a country like India that imports a lot of oil, higher oil prices can lead to higher inflation and increased cost for businesses. When companies face higher cost, they sometimes reduce or delay technology investments, which can affect the IT sectors, obviously. Indian IT companies also have many clients in Middle Eastern countries like the UAE and Saudi Arabia. So, if tensions increase in that region, some projects there might be slowed down, right? So but the good news is that most of the revenue for Indian IT companies comes from the US market, so the overall impact is usually limited. But here's something interesting. During global conflicts or crisis, any companies actually start investing more in things like cybersecurity, cloud technology, automation, artificial intelligence. Why? Because businesses want to protect their system and become more efficient. And these are exactly the areas where Indian IT companies are already very strong. So, in the short term, a conflict like this might create some uncertainty in the IT industry. But historically, if we see, the Indian IT sector has always bounced back strongly after global crisis. So, for IT students and employees, the best thing you can do is keep upgrading your skills. Focus on learning technologies like automation testing, cloud computing, AI, and cybersecurity, or anything related to the development or any tech side which you have a background. Because no matter what happens in global politics, technology will always be a demand. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, do you think global conflicts can affect IT jobs in India? I would love to hear your opinions. Thank you for watching.